Hi friends, welcome back to ZivaLetae'sWorld, and today I'll be opening up the mini brands, mini minis fill the fridge. So before we get started, make sure you like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell on so you don't miss any of ZivaLetae'sWorld videos. Let's get started friends. Okay, so today I have two of them and we can fill the fridge with them. So there's also like a fridge that you can get with this set. So let me just pop up a picture. And this is by the Zuru mini brands, and there's also even some resin ones. So I wonder if we're going to get it. Well, let's open. So we have two. I'm going to do this one first. I'm so excited. So this is actually my first time opening it up. And now see you when I'm done with this round. Okay friends, time for my favourite part. Time for the opening. In 3, 2, 1. Wow. And we also get a fridge magnet. But I have not got the fridge yet. But that is a pretty cool magnet. Let me just show you that it works. And this is also a little egg. And yes, this magnet works. So yeah, that's our egg. And we have, let's see how many of these bags we have. So we have 3 turquoise ones and 3 yellow ones, so we have 6 altogether. And here's the collector's guide, so we'll look at that in a minute. But first of all, let's open it. Okay, this one's really small. I wonder what it could be. Ready? Let's open in 3, 2, 1. Oh, what is this? Okay, so if I look at it up close, there's some juice. Can you see that? So yeah, some juice. It has like little details at the top. And even has like a barcode on it. So that's pretty cute, and also has a drink there. Okay, so that's our first one. Okay, so time for, let's do the yellow one. Okay, so here it is. 3, 2, 1. Where did we get? Oh my gosh, okay, so this is a Pizza Hut. This is what it looks like. It's kind of like cardboardish, but it's actually plastic. So here it is. Do you see that? It says Pizza Hut. There we go. Let's open up the box. This box is pretty small to the previous ones that mini brands has made. Oh, okay, and here's the pizza. So we have a pepperoni pizza. And it also has like a slice out of it. There is no other slice, but you could put the pizza in. This pizza is very small, but it's super cute. And I'll show you what all of these toy foods look like with Barbie dolls or any type of doll. Okay, on to the next one. So that is our second one. Let's open up this one. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh, what's this? Oh, we got some broccoli. Okay, so here's the broccoli. It's very detailed as well. I really like detailed stuff, especially if it's like food and items for our dolls. You can use these as collectibles, but I mostly will use them as like food for my dollhouse. Okay, ready? Next one. 3, 2, 1. What is this? Oh, we have some, let me see. This is macaroni and cheese, and this is what it looks like. I think I might also be able to take it out of the packaging. So let's take a closer look. There we go. And it's also in like some plastic wrapper, which I will not take off, but it looks so realistic. So you can actually see the macaroni and cheese. Pretty cool, right? And I can even put it right back. Okay, we have 2 more to go, and then we have 1 more. 3, 2, 1. Oh, what do we have here? First of all, I love all the details on this. This is the Panda Express. It looks like it's broccoli and chicken, but we'll check on the collector's guide. Let's quickly take a look at the collector's guide. So we have Legendary. I really want to get this one. And there's just lots of them. And then we also have Iconic, Luxury. There's also Ultra Rare, which is this one. Oh, we got Ultra Rare. So I need to take that off. It doesn't. Okay, so we have an Ultra Rare, which is this one. So it doesn't actually say what it is, but I would just have to guess, and I think it's that. So let's take off that. Okay, and the last one in this first one. 3, 2, 1. Okay friends, so this is a fruit tray. It says fruit tray. And if we like tip it out, we can actually get some fruits. So it's stuck together. You can actually possibly take it out. It has lots of detail on it. And I can just stick it back inside like that. So it looks like we have some like pineapple, apples, and that type of stuff, I think. So they just go in like that. And then we also have some type of berry that goes in the middle. And then you pop on the lid. And that's our fruit salad. Or our fruit tray. Okay, now it's time to open up our second, and this will be our last mini brand. Okay friends, so I also have another magnet. It looks like it's an avocado toast with eggs. And again we have 3 turquoise and 3 yellows. Let's get opening. Okay, so let's open up this one. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Okay, so I also have broccoli, which is a double. Okay, time to open up this one. And I got, yes, okay, I'm glad it's not a double. So we have the tropical punch. Pretty cute, and it's in a little cute can as well. Okay, next, what is this? Okay, this is kombucha. It looks like. This is what it looks like. It's like, it looks like marmalade basically. It's a bit squishy as well. Okay, 2 more to go. Actually, no, 3. Let's open up this one. 3, 2, 1. What is that? This is, let me read it. It is original thick cut bacon. Okay, so this is bacon. Okay, this one is, oh, it says big dinner box. I wonder what this is. Okay, oh yeah, it's also by Pizza Hut. Okay, so, oh, that actually looks pretty cool. Okay, so basically I think it's meant to go like that. So I got a big dinner box, so it has like pizzas in it. I don't know what that is, maybe chicken and some other stuff. Last one, and we got milk. Okay friends, well that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon next time. And hopefully in my next video, I should have the fridge so we can fill up the whole fridge and see all the new exclusive mini brands. See you next time, bye friends.